Alright folks, I don't know if you can hear me because I have to cover my camera because it's getting soaked, and I don't know how clear you're going to see this picture, but this is that squall line that I was talking to you about earlier, a very strong squall line that was approaching from the south. It has now reached the Boston area. Visibility has dropped considerably, and the wind has picked up, and the rain is blinding. So this is the squall line that I was talking to you about. It's very, very strong. I hope you can see something, because it is deteriorating the conditions right now as I speak, and the camera is getting really, really wet. So hopefully you can see something. I can't see probably a mile away. I think that's the furthest I can see as of right now, because the visibility is it's dropping as I speak. So I'm trying to get some footage here from outside, from in the middle of the storm, as a very good reporter. The thing is that I don't have the equipment to be out here recording under the rain, and I'll try to do the umbrella in a little bit. But this is what's going on right now as conditions deteriorate with that very strong band that I was talking to you about an hour, half hour ago or so. The winds are not, as of right now, they haven't picked up that much. They're still gusty, but they're not as I don't think that they're stronger than earlier. What I'm seeing is just a lot of heavy rain, blinding rain. That's the main thing that I'm seeing right now. So the wind seems to be okay. We get a gust here and there, but that's about it. You can probably see it from this picture. So the clouds are very, very low clouds, sweeping by. I mean, they are racing by here. I can still see some low cloudiness, and some of them are spinning actually. Really rapidly as they go along. So those are the ones that can produce tornadoes, even though we have a low risk. You never can tell with these spiral bands when a tornado touches down within these rain bands. They're so blinding you can't even see if anything is forming anyways. But I can still see some of the very fast low clouds racing up to the north or west and west. But it's still, I guess this band is, it's taking its time as it moves towards us. I can see from about a mile from here, the trees are still shaking and stuff. So I'm thinking that this band still has a little more to go as it approaches my area here, just a little bit north of Boston. And I know my lens is really, really wet. Let me see if I can clean it for you guys so you can see something. I hope that's a little better. I know it's probably a little damp, but oh, my shoes are soaked. I am soaked, but I still see very low clouds spinning by, so I don't think the brunt of this line is still here. But let me, I don't want to do very long, boring videos, so I want to get the brunt of it. But let me see if we get it coming through soon here. Because it keeps getting dark, and then it lights up a little bit and gets dark again. I can see still there's a band of rain just coming sideways as I'm looking to my south and southwest. The visibilities are still very low. And I actually can hear a little howling in the air because the pressure is so low, you know, with these kinds of storms. that the wind has so much power. Not like when the cold front goes through and there's a high pressure behind it. You get a high pressure and then we get some winds and some nice refreshing winds. It's kind of different with a very intense low pressure as this one. Still waiting to see if the rain seems to be getting very heavy now. The clouds are really, really low on this side. Let me see if I can pan out here. Let's see. I don't know if you can see something, but I see low, very low cloudiness. It's just a lot of rain, a lot of drenching rain here. As we continue to get this band getting close to here. So, I just don't want to do too many videos that are short. I want you guys to experience this band with me. Oh, and I think my camera's getting soaked. Oh my lord. I'm trying to cover it here. Ooh, and the rains are getting stronger. Let's see if I can get my umbrella. I'm soaked to the bone. Let me see if I can get my umbrella open so you guys can see. Hold on 1 second. Of course, all you're gonna hear is that. You are going to hear the rain pelting my umbrella. Just to let you know. Let me dry it up a little bit here, but you are... Sorry about the umbrella noise, but that's the only way I can get this picture. Oop, my umbrella wants to fly away. So let me put it on this way. Whoa. So, seats. Wants to fly away. We're getting some pretty nice gusty winds now. The sky keeps getting darker, light up a little bit, but keeps getting darker. So it seems like this rain band's still on its way here. And obviously it's taking its time because it's moving from there to there, and that side to that side. So in the low levels, and then the whole thing is pushing northward. So it's paralleling. Oh my God, my shoes are soaking. So this is what's going on right now. We have this very strong band going through the Boston area. Like I said, the winds are not that bad actually, considering the fact, and of course it's early, you know, the center still hasn't really passed through in a latitude that we will be okay with it. So so not bad of a wind. It's just a lot of rain and some dust here and there. I'm sorry, like I said, sorry about the mask, but my camera is not equipped to withstand all this water. And my umbrella is making a lot of noise. The rain's making a lot of noise hitting it. So I just want to see if we are going to get any of the gusts that we're experiencing down in the Cape. I'm just trying to see if this band that's coming through. I mean, the clouds are moving really, really fast. You can see that. That's an indication of how strong the winds are up there above the surface. So it's a matter of them reaching the ground. But it's not that bad, actually. Okay, so trying to see. It is just a lot of rain, like I said. We get gusts here and there, probably 30 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour, but nothing bad. Nothing that's, bringing trees down. It is getting very, very soaked out there, so I think that's what we're gonna see. If we get any gusts of wind, I think that's what's gonna, the soaked ground, it's what's gonna give out for some of the trees and some of the trees down. It's gonna be because of that. It has been pouring. Whoa. There we go again. It's been pouring. Let's see if I can get another. I don't have a lot of trees close by us because I don't want to be, obviously I don't want to be next to a tree. But I want you to see the forest. I don't know if you can see something, but I'm trying for you guys to experience what I'm experiencing. So this is that band of heavy rain, very strong winds that's been battling the Cape, and now it's moving up to the Boston area. Chose this area because I'm a little high up, so I'm not close to trees and anything like that, or debris or anything. If it's going to be that strong, and I wanted to get more of a glimpse of the weather from here. Let me see the lens. Let me see if I can clean the lens. Oops. What I'm cleaning the lens with is kind of wet. There you go. Just a little bit more, but yeah, my camera's not equipped for this kind of weather, so it's a little blurry. It's a little muggy. It doesn't seem like the wind is picking up any more than it has been. As of right now, I'm seeing everything. So the winds are still the same. So you're hearing the rain hitting the umbrella, so it's kind of loud, but the wind's still the same. It's still gusting. I'll say 30, 40 still. I haven't seen any bigger gusts as of yet. Let me finish this video here, and just if I see anything, I'm looking that way, and the reason why I'm looking that way, where my camera is pointing, is because that's where the bands are coming in from. So I'm seeing how it looks that way, and then if I see any trees shaking like crazy, then that's they're increasing a little bit right